The Infinix Hot 60 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting budget-friendly smartphone releases of the year, with several leaks already revealing a mix of solid performance specs and standout features. The base model, Infinix Hot 65G, is expected to feature a large 6.74-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering an immersive experience for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, it's rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, which should provide efficient 5G connectivity and reliable performance for everyday use. Camera-wise, the Hot 65G is said to sport a dual rear camera setup, led by a 50MP main sensor that could deliver crisp, detailed shots even in moderate lighting. Backing all this will likely be a 5000 mAh battery, paired with 33W fast charging to ensure quick top-ups and minimal downtime. What really has people talking, though, is the more premium Infinix Hot 60 Pro 5G variant, which is rumored to take things to another level. Some leaks suggest this model could feature a jaw-dropping 250MP primary camera, positioning it as a photography powerhouse in its price segment, though the actual implementation and sensor credibility remain to be confirmed. Alongside this, the device is also expected to come with a massive 7200 mAh battery, ideal for heavy users who demand all-day or even two-day battery life, with fast charging support likely included. If these leaks hold true, the Hot 60 series could mark a major leap for Infinix in terms of both innovation and value, targeting users who want cutting-edge features without breaking the bank. While an official release date hasn't been confirmed, the steady stream of rumors suggests the launch is just around the corner.